How to make text bold on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, turn on the bold text option at the top. As you can see, all of the text on this screen has turned bold. You can also manage the other display and text size settings from here. For example, increasing text size, reducing transparency, increasing contrast, and more. Following these steps, you can easily make text bold on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.